Hey guys, we're at Home Depot.
Home Depot? We not at Home Depot. Where we at? Lowe's.
We're at Lowe's.
What about to do today?
Go to the
To the workshop.
work.
To the workshop?
Yeah, in the workshop. Let's go.
What?
Hey guys, we're gonna be doing the Lowe's workshop. We see y'all when we get in. We're starting to come in. Look at the apron I got. We see y'all when we start to. We're going to be doing a turkey.
There you go, you ripped it.
Put the sticker on.
Yeah.
So you used the small ones already?
Yeah.
So
Is
you,
there extra?
No, it should only be. This probably just what was left over
Oh,
from other
I
ones.
think that's it. That is it, Jay.
Let's go, Kalama.
That's it.
We did it.